Hi there, little Picassos. Grab your paper, pencils, and your comfiest PJs, because today we're drawing the cutest snoozer ever. Hello Kitty fast asleep with her best buddy, Teddy. Ready? Let's doodle. Start with a mountain shape, that's our first ear. Easy peasy. Slide your pencil down from the ear in a smooth curve to make her chubby cheek. Keep it soft and round like a marshmallow. Right on top, draw a wiggly line for the hat's brim, then a big bubbly bow, 2 loops and a small circle in the middle. Above the bow, add another mountain shape for her second ear. Near the chin, pop in 2 little round paws. She's hugging her face while she sleeps. Close those eyes with 2 curved lines, little rainbows lying down. Add a teeny oval nose, quick whiskers on each side. Now Kitty looks extra whisker-tastic. Connect the hat between the ears with a floppy curved top. Right beside Kitty, draw a cuddly circle for Teddy's head. Two smaller circles for ears. Give Teddy a sleepy eyes and smile, too. Now add 2 more circles for his paws peeking out. Draw a big wavy blanket over both friends. Add simple flower shapes all over because blankets with flowers are super cozy. Under their heads, draw a fat, soft rectangle with rounded corners. Squish-tastic pillow incoming. Trace around everything with a nice thick line. Boom! Your drawing pops like a comic book. Ready to color? Let's go. Soft pink. Inside Kitty's ears and on her cheeks, cute already. Bright pink. Her bow and hat. Blanket time. Bubblegum pink. Dab bright yellow in each flower center. Pillow. Sky blue, like a dreamy cloud. Teddy. Warm chocolate brown, lighter muzzle so his smile shows. Sunny yellow nose. Save that yellow for a gentle glow later if you like. Step back, add a soft yellow glow on any leftover white. And done. High five, color champs. Look at that adorable sleepy duo, so cute. They're snoozing, so let's add littlesies floating up. If you had fun, tap the like button, smash subscribe, bye bye.